Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a BMW 4 Series headlight. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands. Then, remove the front wheel on the side you are working on. This provides crucial access to the fender well. Next, carefully detach the wheel well liner, which often conceals important mounting screws for the headlight assembly. With the wheel well open, you can now address the front bumper. Begin by removing the torque screws located along the top edge of the bumper. If your car has headlight washers, gently disconnect the washer hose and any associated electrical wiring. Carefully pull the bumper away from the fender, ensuring no clips or wires are damaged during this process. Now focus on the headlight unit itself. You will find several mounting screws, typically Torx or hex, securing it to the vehicle frame. Once all fasteners are removed, carefully disconnect the main electrical plug at the rear of the headlight. With all connections free, gently slide the entire headlight assembly forward and out of its position, taking care not to scratch the lens or surrounding paint. To reinstall, carefully slide the headlight back into place, ensuring it aligns correctly with its mounting points. Reconnect all electrical plugs and the headlight washer hose if applicable. Secure all mounting screws, then reattach the wheel well liner and the front bumper. Finally, test all headlight functions, including high beams, low beams, and turn signals, to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.